Hi folks, today we have payment system on the menu. In the sixth video presentation from my MERN project, we will examine the payment integration. Let's go back and remember where we left off in the last video. We had seen the booking section. When we click on an available seat, we get this pay and book button. And once we proceed to payment by simply clicking on this button, and we end up here. A Stripe checkout screen. Yeah, to accept payments, I will use Stripe in this project. As soon as we click that pay and book button in the previous page, we have sent a post request to my node server and we have created a Stripe session. A session that includes payment details such as total amount, the currency, in this example, pound, or the name or ID of this transaction, auction attendance fee. This is how we get this £6 or auction attendance fee on the checkout screen. This Stripe checkout session we create in the backend includes a URL, and once we receive this URL in the response objects, we navigate the user to this URL so they can complete the payment. And you're not able to see the URL, but it's checkout.stripe.com/, blah blah. In the Stripe session we create, we are supposed to define two different URLs for success and cancel pages so that we can direct the user to these pages depending on the result of the transaction. For example, let's try the cancel page. If I hit this back button, we go to the cancel URL, which is the last URL we had visited. I set the cancel URL to the last URL visited by the user, but you can set this cancel URL to any path. Let's do a successful checkout. We'll need to fill these fields. For card information, 42424242. According to the documentation, for test purposes, these 4s and 2s are going to work. As the expiry date, we are supposed to provide a date that's in the future. And for CSV, we can do anything. Name on card. I will go with Code Your Way to Freedom, which is also my GitHub name. And country, yeah. After the completing the form, we can just hit pay button and see the result. Processing, and yeah, success. Payment successful. This is our custom success page to display to the user. After a successful auction booking, what's next? We'll see that in the upcoming video presentation.